everybody? This is Carlos, the Texas Squeegee, and alright, so in the tint lab today, we got a Tesla Model 3. Now, right now, I'm working on the rear glass. You can see the tint is out here, but wait a minute. I thought the tint went on the inside and not the outside. Well, that's a question we get all the time, so in this video, we are addressing it coming up next. Alright, so let's get down to it. So when you do tint on a car, all the prep work, the shrinking, the cutting, the shaping, the sizing, everything gets done on the outside before it gets put on the inside. Now the reason why you want to do this is because it's a flatter surface out here than when you're working it on the inside. And this right here, the reason why a lot of times you see tinters, or even in our Instagram account, Facebook, or YouTube videos, reason why a lot of times we use heat gun on the outside is because we got to shape to the glass. So right here is a perfect example. This side right here is completely flat because I've already shrunk it. This side right here, it's got a lot of extra. So the way that we get the tint to shrink this way is by the use of heat. So this is what I've got, this heat gun right here. I'm going to show you what that looks like on this car. So what I'm going to do is right now, all this excess tint, basically what I'm doing is I'm shrinking it to the size of the glass, and you'll see what that looks like right now. So you see those it starts to get kind of wavy, but the bubbles are starting to shape to the glass. And basically this is how I'm going to do the entire thing. It's going to start shrinking the entire thing. Now this looks a lot easier than it actually is. It takes a lot of skill, and I'm talking about months, if not years, of practice to get this down to where it makes it look easy. But that's how you know you are watching a professional. So now I just finished doing all the prep work on the outside, which is the shrinking and the molding of the tint to the glass. I've already cut it, as you can see right here. So now all I got to do is roll it up, and all the prep work outside is done. Now it's all inside work from here on out, and I'll show you what it's going to look like at the end. So now that the car's been completed, this is the end result of what it looks like. Now remember, the tint gets prepped on the outside, but it gets done on the inside. So now you know. So if you want to get something like this done, or you want to buy the tint and do it yourself, visit our website at texastintmasters.com. If you learned something in this video, send it over to a friend. This has been Carlos, the Texas Squeegee, and I'll see you on the next one.